Hello student, in this video we will discuss about the important law, that is Ampere circuital law. This is the very important law in magnetism. So let's discuss about the Ampere circuital law. Here the definition of the law is, according to this law, line integral of a magnetic field over a closed path is equal to mu naught time of a total current, that is line integration b into dl is equal to mu naught I. This law is applicable over the closed path. कहने का मतलब ये है कि इस लॉ के अकॉर्डिंग जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का लाइन इंटीग्रेशन है वो म्यू टाइम ऑफ टोटल करंट के इक्वल होता है. दैट इज द प्रूफ ऑफ एम्पेयर सर्किट लॉ. फॉर दिस प्रूफ वी शो द डायग्राम in which the current flowing from x to y of a state conductor and the magnetic field is around in the direction of anti-clockwise in circular loops. According to right hand thumb rule, we discussed about the direction of magnetic field and current. So the circular loops represents magnetic field in the diagram, and the xy conductor represents the direction of a current from x to y. Here consider a loop whose distance from the state conductor is r, that is the radius of the circular loop. Consider a point on this loop, that is p. Here the current element and the direction of magnetic field is in same direction, that is in a anti-clockwise direction. Therefore the angle between magnetic field and a current element is 0. Therefore taking the LHS left hand side of this rule, that is BDL is equal to mu naught I. So here B into DL represents integration of BDL cos theta. Here the B into DL have the dot product and the expression for dot product is BDL cos theta. dot product में cos को हम एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, and that is equal to BDL cos 0. here theta becomes 0. अभी डिस्कस किया था कि here the angle between magnetic field and current element is 0, then the angle of cos 0 is equal to 1. So magnetic field for a line integral that is equal to b into dl, or taking the magnetic field out from integration, the b integration of dl. Here the magnetic field due to state conductor of first law of Biot-Savart law, we discussed about that and calculated an important result from first application of Biot-Savart's law. B is equal to mu naught I upon 2r. mu naught I upon 2r. That is the first application of Biot-Savart's law. वहाँ से हमने important result निकाला था मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एक स्टेट कंडक्टर की वजह से. दैट इज द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू स्टेट conductor. Here the conductor is also state. Therefore B is equal to mu naught I upon 2 pi r, that is magnetic field due to state current carrying conductor. Therefore the integration of dl represents the total length of the circular path, that is the circumference of the circular loop, and the circumference of circular loop is 2 pi r. That means putting the value of this and this in this result, we calculated the magnetic field B is equal to mu naught I upon 2 pi, the parallel of magnetic field, and the integral of dl represents 2 pi r. Cancel 2 pi r to 2 pi r. Therefore the final result is B is equal to mu naught I. That is the proof of Ampere circuital law. The line integral of magnetic field over a closed path always equal to mu naught time of a total current BDL is equal to mu naught I. That proves the result of a Ampere circuital law. The product of B and DL is equal to mu naught I. This is the proof of a Ampere circuital law and explanation of Ampere circuital law. Thank you for this video. Watch, like, share and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.